He's dead. He's dropped.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Finally came together on one. This here's Josh, the dude that busted up my hunt last Saturday. But he's missed 2 deer right through the same pocket, and this one just out of nowhere. I think that's the same 4-pointer he shot this morning, so.
That's a little cold buck.
That's a little Cull buck, he's gone. We're gonna sit here and wait a little bit longer and see if anything else comes out.
Dude, I smoked his ass. Didn't I?
Dude,